Welcome to Baluchizone. Today we'll talk about the differences between Makorani and Suleimani dialects of Balochi language. Suleimani dialect of Balochi is widely spoken across Balochistan. It reminds me of the Liverpool Scouse accent of English language. Just like the Scouse accent, Suleimani dialect uses H sound a lot, particularly when a word consists of letter K. In the Liverpool Scouse accent, words consisting of CK are pronounced as H. For example, an Scouser would pronounce chikhen as chikhen and bakh as bakh. Just like the Scouse accent, words consisting of letter K are pronounced as H. Also in Suleimani Balochi, numerous letters of alphabets are pronounced differently, despite there being 25 letters in the Balochi alphabet. First difference is the pronunciation of the following letters. As we established earlier, the letter K is pronounced as Khe. For example, hak, meaning soil in Balochi, is pronounced as Hach. The letter B is pronounced as W. For example, word is labs in Balochi. However, in Suleimani dialect, it is pronounced as lavs. The letter P is pronounced as F. For example, water in Balochi is ab, but in Suleimani dialect, they would pronounce that as af. The letter G is also pronounced as re. For example, bread in Balochi is nagan. In Suleimani dialect, that is pronounced as nagan. T is pronounced as th. For example, mother is mat in Balochi. However, in Suleimani, it is pronounced as math. And lastly, the letter D is pronounced as the. For example, change in Balochi is badal. Badal. Suleimani dialects, they would say badal. Badal. One thing I need to add here is such changes in pronunciation only occurs if these letters are not the first letter in a word. For example, if a word begins with any of the letters above, then they are pronounced normally. However, if these letters are not positioned first, then they are pronounced with their alternative pronunciations. I hope this is not getting too complicated. Secondly, there's also a difference in the che sound. For example, the che sound in Suleimani dialect is pronounced as she or je. For example, the word ruach, meaning sun in English language, is pronounced as ruach or ruej in Suleimani dialect. Thirdly, the word hast or hasting, meaning have, is pronounced as ast in Suleimani dialect. For example, this is how we say I have a job in both Makorani and Suleimani Balochi. Manakari hasting. Manakari asting. The fourth and final differences between Makorani and Suleimani dialects is about pronouns. This is how we say the following pronouns in Makorani and Suleimani Balochi. Mana, tara, ai, ishi, ma, shuma, ayan. Mana, tara, ai ara, ishi ara, ma ra, shuma ra, anara. There are many other differences between Suleimani and Makorani dialects. However, this was a small observation put together. I hope you've enjoyed this short video.